Hi, Greg, DIY RV Home Camper's Life. As you can see, I am doing some work on my awning. This upper screw pulled out the other day. It stripped on us, and it was right in the middle of a rainstorm when it pulled out. So I had to quickly work on getting it back. Well, when I did, there is a hole right here, as you can see, possibly right there. That's the hole that I put in there. And what I did is I had actually pushed this back in place, lined it up with the hole down here, and I actually had the bolt sitting in the hole, and then shot it with it in the center, which should have been the right location for this. Well, it was still kind of binding a little bit, so I wanted to do some more work on it, make sure I had it secure properly. Took it apart and I looked, and now if we can zoom in and take a look, show you what I see. Now I count, there is the hole that it should be in. Right there is another hole that they drilled. And let's see if we can't get you over here. Right. There we go. Let's bring it in. There's another hole right there. They compromised that entire location right there by putting multiple holes in there. No wonder it pulled out. So now I have to figure out how to get this fixed. Well, like I said, when I put this screw in, it was a little off, so now I have to bring this back over into place when I put it back on. So I'm gonna have to oval this hole out a little bit. No problem. This one I'm gonna abandon because there's nothing there to do it. So it looks like I'm gonna probably be going to this one right up here, this hole, and I probably might even put another one down here just for additional security, and go check the other side and do it. But that is sucky quality control workmanship on the part of the manufacturer. Don't tell me, I'm sorry, this is gonna be a rant. Don't tell me these manufacturers are pushing these things out left and right and forgoing the quality of the product. Okay, I'm off my rant now. Now I gotta get this thing done. I am not gonna be videoing this. I'll show you the end. I've also got some video from a little bit of when I did it during the rainstorm, trying to get this corrected. So anyways, yeah, I know it's a little bit of a rant today, but come on. I mean, really? That, without this rope right here, this whole arm would just fall down and bend and break. And that's the only one holding it from here all the way down to midpoint right here. It's going to take a lot of use. All right. Anyways, I will come back. I will show you the finished product though. Here's what I've done so far. I took a rat tail file and I ovaled out this hole right here, the one that I did, and that way when I go ahead and put this back in, I can align it up to where I need it to be. Get that in there, get it tight, and of course I'm going to put butyl tape back here. I'm going to plug these ones up really good with butyl tape, and then we'll come back and we'll put some more silicone around this when I get some. Get it all in place, test it, make sure it's going to work properly, and then when we know it works, I'll come back and I will put another one right here and possibly another one down here like I said. But at least I get two up here. That should be a lot better than what a single one is on a compromised section, because they drilled 3 holes instead of 1. Coming back when I'm a little bit further along. I've got this side taken care of. As you can see, I reused the hole that I drilled the other day. I just ovaled it out like I showed you, and then put the lag bolt back in. This one up here, I got it all in place. Drilled another hole. Of course, you can see the butyl tape behind it. I've got butyl tape, and butyl tape shoved into the holes and also squished through. I'll come back with some silicone and get those sealed up so we can help to prevent water leaks here. Again, sorry for going off on a rant, but I mean, it is a little irritating. Something like this especially. It's constantly going in and out. There's a lot of force on it. The wind, we don't use it in the wind that much per se. We'll usually pull it in when we start seeing it flap a little bit. But going down the road, there's a lot of forces, you know, on it. I'd hate to see this come off, rip the side of the trailer apart. You know, of course, then it'd have to be an insurance job over someone putting 3 holes where it should have been just 1 hole. You know, lack of quality control, lack of workmanship, you know, lack of pride in their job, I think. I don't know. You guys tell me. Anyways, if this helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And until the next one, happy camping.